Electrodrive's Gzunda linen mover is a battery-operated unit with a 500 kg tow capacity. It is supplied with a smart charger and a clamping hitch. The Gzunda linen mover is suitable for towing linen or laundry trolleys around hospitals or hotels. It is suitable for trolleys with 4 swivel casters. Its ergonomic design ensures the user is in front of the load while maximising forward vision and avoiding the risk of collisions. The central tine acts as a powered fifth wheel, fitting neatly under your trolley for effortless manoeuvrability while reducing the risk of push-pull injuries with linen handling. Hitching to your trolley is easy. The versatile and easily adjustable hitch provides a stable centre of gravity, crucial for towing tall, heavy loads. Its compact design and folding tiller handle are perfect for use in tight spaces and lifts. On the control panel, select your desired direction, forward or reverse, or preferred speed, slow, walk or fast. Safety features include an emergency stop button and an emergency back-off button. With its foldable handle, it is easy to store. Book a trial today or visit our website to find out more.